Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk in English, the channel where you can practice real, simple, everyday English.
Hi, everyone. We're very happy you're here today. My name is Sarah.
And I'm Lucas. On this channel, we help you speak English with confidence, step by step.
That's right, and today's topic is something everyone loves.
Yes, today we are talking about free time and weekend activities.
This is a very useful topic because people talk about free time all the time, at work, at school, with friends, and even with new people.
Exactly. People often ask questions like, "What do you do in your free time?" or "What do you usually do on the weekend?"
And sometimes answering these questions in English can feel difficult.
But don't worry, today we will make it easy, natural, and fun.
Before we start, please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who is learning English.
It really helps us a lot. Thank you so much.
Okay, Lucas, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's get started.
Lucas, let's start with a simple question. What is free time?
Good question. Free time is the time when you are not working and not studying.
Exactly. It's the time when you can relax or do something you enjoy.
For example, after work, in the evening, or on the weekend.
Yes, some people have more free time and some people are very busy.
That's true. Everyone's life is different.
So today, we'll talk about how to describe free time using simple English.
Sarah, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read books and listen to music.
That's nice. What kind of books do you like?
I enjoy reading novels, especially mystery and romance.
Interesting. So you can say, "I like reading books," or "I enjoy reading books."
Yes, both are correct.
In my free time, I like watching movies and going for walks.
Do you watch movies at home or at the cinema?
Usually at home. I like to watch movies in the evening after dinner.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. Watching movies helps me relax after a long day.
Relax is a very important word when we talk about free time.
Let's talk about some common free time activities.
Good idea. Many people like to watch TV or use their phone.
Yes, people often say, "I watch TV," or "I scroll on my phone."
Others like to listen to music or podcasts.
Some people enjoy playing sports like football, basketball, or tennis.
And some people prefer quiet activities like reading or drawing.
There is no right or wrong. Free time is personal.
Exactly. What matters is that you enjoy it. Lucas, is your free time different on weekdays and weekends?
Yes, very different. On weekdays, I usually have less free time
Why is that?
because I work during the day, and in the evening, I'm often tired.
That makes sense.
On weekdays, my free time is usually in the evening.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I usually eat dinner, watch something, and then go to bed.
That sounds like a normal weekday routine.
What about you, Sarah?
On weekdays, I also don't have much free time. I usually relax at home.
And on weekends?
Weekends are different. I wake up later and feel more relaxed.
Me too. I don't set an alarm on weekends.
That's the best feeling.
So, Sarah, what do you usually do on the weekend?
On Saturdays, I usually clean my apartment in the morning.
Ah, yes. Cleaning is important, even if it's not very fun.
That's true, but after cleaning, I feel better.
What do you do after that?
In the afternoon, I often meet friends or go out for coffee.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
On Saturdays, I like to go outside. Sometimes I go for a long walk or ride my bike.
Do you like being outdoors?
Yes, I do. Fresh air helps me relax.
And Sundays?
Sundays are more quiet for me. I usually stay at home.
Same here. Sundays feel slower. Let's talk about spending free time with friends.
Good idea. Friends are an important part of free time.
I usually meet my friends on the weekend.
What do you do together?
We talk, laugh, eat together, or watch a movie.
Sometimes I play games with my friends.
Board games or video games?
Both. Sometimes we play online games.
That's very common now.
Yes. Even if friends live far away, you can still spend time together online.
How about free time with family?
I usually call my family on the weekend.
Do you visit them?
Sometimes, yes. When I visit, we eat together and talk a lot.
Family time is very important.
It is. It helps us feel connected.
I also spend time with my family on weekends.
Sarah, do you prefer indoor or outdoor activities?
I think I prefer indoor activities.
Why is that?
Because I like being at home, I feel comfortable and relaxed.
That's understandable.
What about you?
I prefer outdoor activities, especially when the weather is nice.
So the weather is important.
Yes, on rainy days, I stay at home.
We used some very important words today.
Yes, words like usually, often, sometimes, and never.
These words help us talk about habits.
For example, I usually watch TV in the evening.
Or I sometimes meet friends on the weekend.
You can also say, I never work on Sunday.
These words make your English sound more natural.
Let's talk about some common mistakes learners make.
Good idea.
Many learners say, I like to go shopping in free time.
The correct sentence is, I like to go shopping in my free time.
Yes, don't forget my.
Another mistake is forgetting on with weekends.
You should say on the weekend or on weekends.
Small words are very important.
Let's practice with some questions.
Okay.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I usually read books and listen to music.
Great. What do you do on the weekend?
On the weekend, I meet friends and relax at home.
Perfect. Very simple and clear.
Now it's time for the question of the day.
We want you to practice in the comments.
Here is the question.
What do you like to do in your free time?
You can choose one answer or write your own.
For example, A. Watch movies. B. Play sports. C. Read books. D. Spend time with family.
Write your answer in the comments below. Today, we learned how to talk about free time and weekend activities.
We talked about hobbies, friends, family, and relaxing.
Remember, your English doesn't need to be perfect.
Just be clear and confident.
Thank you so much for watching Let's Talk in English.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.